Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Did you know that you can get paid to watch videos? Fortunately, we live in time and age where you can get paid to do what you do every day, and that is to get paid to watch videos. People like me who create videos on YouTube know how watch time is important and how engagement is important on YouTube. And that is why many people are ready to pay you to watch their videos and to engage with their videos. And today I will show you a website where you can find those people. But also make sure to watch this video till the end, because in the end of this video I will tell you really important information. So you must watch this video till the end. But also, before we begin, please like this video, and if you didn't already, make sure to subscribe to my channel and turn all notifications on so you don't miss any of my new videos. With that being said, let me just jump in my computer and we are going to start. First, I wish to show you rating of this website. When you come on Trustpilot, you will see that 32 people reviewed this website and they got 3.1 stars, which is actually not bad. And here you can read some of the reviews. And main flaw of this website is they have only one payment processor, which can be a problem in some countries. Website that I'm talking about today is called Rapid Workers. So this is basically a freelance website where you can do micro tasks. And when you scroll here, you will see they have 100,000 workers around the world. And here you can see example of some micro tasks that you can do. And here you can see if you're a worker, browse micro jobs, select jobs you like, finish task and submit proof, earn money and much more. And to sign up to this website, simply click here on sign up. Add your name, add your email, add your password, choose your country, click here I'm not robot, and this is very important. You cannot use VPNs, you cannot hide your IP address, you cannot do tasks from other countries. That is against the rules and you will be banned. Click here I agree to the terms and conditions, click create account. After you click here, they will send you confirmation email and you will need to confirm your email. After you confirm your email, you will come to your dashboard. And as you can see, they are using these weird colors for some reason that are not pleasant for the eyes. Anyway, you can see that they have lots and lots of these micro tasks that you can do. I think there is more than 200 of these micro tasks today. And for example, you can create 4 Gmail accounts and they will pay you 16 cents for doing that. You can create one new Gmail account and they will pay you 13 cents for that. And you can do all kind of simple tasks like that. But we wish to get paid to watch videos. So here in job name, just type YouTube and then click enter. And here you can see all the available YouTube tasks. I think there is 35 tasks available today. And here you can see YouTube watch, like, subscribe and comment, and they will pay you 16 cents for doing that. Create Gmail account and 2 YouTube channels and they will pay you 10 cents for doing that. Share YouTube video and they will pay you 3 cents for doing that. Share YouTube video and they will pay you 3 cents for doing that. As you see, these are all simple tasks that you can do in under 5 minutes. So let me just show you how to do one of these tasks. Let's say this one, YouTube share. I will open this in new tab. And here you can see more information, what exactly they are looking from you. As you can see here, you will earn 3 cents. This task takes less than 3 minutes to finish. Now instructions, open this. I'm guessing this is some kind of screenshot. Let me just open this in new tab. And yes, this is a screenshot. So what we need to do, we actually need to go on YouTube and search this term, Pokemon Go Hack 2020. And we need to find a video with this thumbnail here. So let me just go on YouTube. So here in search bar, I will type Pokemon Go Hack 2020 and click search. And now I need to scroll down to find this video. Okay, this is the video. It's the same thumbnail like on the screenshot. As you can see, it's the same thumbnail. So I now need to click on this video. Let me just click on pause here. So now I need to go on Rapid Workers to see what exactly I need to do. Find and watch full video. Very important. Okay, that's not. Like the video, share on 2 social media. Do not share in story. Do not use WhatsApp or Viber or anything like that. Required proof, link to a screenshot of the video page with your like visible and 2 social share links. So basically I need to like this video and share it on 2 social media that you can share it on Facebook, on Twitter, on Pinterest, on LinkedIn, or any other social media. And you need to make a screenshot of those shares. So now I need to go back on YouTube and I need to like this video. Just press like. And now I need to create a screenshot of this. You can use some kind of app for your Google Chrome, or I'm using Notepad, so I will click Ctrl print screen. So this is my screenshot, and now I need to actually upload this screenshot on some image hosting website. You can come on Google and just type free image hosting, and I will use this first website. Just click on it, give it a few seconds to upload, click on start uploading, find your screenshot. Let me just find my screenshot. This is it. Click open, give it a few seconds to upload. Click upload, and this is my URL. I will copy this. Okay, I will go back on Rapid Workers, and here I will actually paste this direct link to the image. You see, it's easy to get paid to watch videos, right? So now I need to share this video into social media. So I will go back on this video, and to share it you can simply click here on share. And as you can see, you can share it directly on Facebook, Twitter, Blogger, Reddit, Tumblr, VKontakte, LinkedIn, Mix, I don't know how to pronounce this, Skype, or you can simply copy this URL and share it wherever you want. You can copy it, and you can even go on Facebook. You can share this link on your profile or in a related Facebook group. Just come here and paste this URL. Give it a few seconds and click post. Again, give it a few seconds, and now I need to take a screenshot of this. Again, I'm using Notepad, so I will click Ctrl print screen. So now I need to upload this screenshot on image hosting website. So I will go back on this website, and again I will click on start uploading. I will find my screenshot. Let me just find it. Okay, this is it. Click open, give it a few seconds to upload, click upload again, and I will copy this URL. And I will go back on Rapid Workers, and I will paste this URL here. And I need to do this for another social media. It's easy. You can share it on Twitter or Pinterest or whatever you want. And again, take a screenshot. And again, take a screenshot, upload it on image hosting website, copy and paste that URL here, and click confirm that I have followed instructions and complete these tasks. And you will make 3 cents. It's easy like that. Like I said, it's an easy way to get paid to watch videos. And after you finish that task, you can do another and another and another task. And they update this list every day. And not just that, but after 24 hours, you can do the same task again. Of course, you cannot share it on same social media, but there is plenty of other social media where you can share these videos. Like I said, this is an easy way to get paid to watch videos. This is very, very important. They have something called success rate. Success rate is your percentage of successfully finished tasks. And the better success rate you have, the more tasks you will see in your dashboard. You will have more job opportunities, and in that way you will be able to make more money. Ideal success rate is above 95%. So that is how you get paid to watch videos. That's it for today, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and see you next time. Bye.